In the latest version of Mandarin Oasis and WebOPAC, it is now possible to configure the visual search without having to go out of the program and open the setup page. When you sign in as librarian, or when someone logs in to whom you have given access to the visual search configuration, such as in my example, you will see a link for Configure Visual Search. Clicking on this link brings you to the Setup login, and logging in there brings you directly to the Visual Search setup. In my demonstration here, I have logged in as George Miller, a chemistry teacher who has been allowed to create his own elements in the library's Visual Search page. He has a topic button for his class, and under that, he has created link buttons for some websites he thinks will be useful for his students. Mr. Miller has also created an annotated bibliography of useful materials in the library collection. To give his students access to this list, he has created a new link button. He clicks on Modify and sees the configuration box for this button. He's already saved an appropriate image, so he clicks on Browse and navigates to the picture and clicks Open. Back here in the configuration box, he clicks Upload. Then he enters information in the caption and description spaces. In the link box, he puts the URL of the bibliography he has saved in the format and order he thinks will be most useful for his students. There is another video in this series that shows you how to configure and save a bibliography like this. When George is finished, he closes the setup page. And back in Oasis, he clicks on Reload Visual Search to make his changes available. Both bibliographies and visual search buttons can be very easily added and modified to highlight portions of your collection, to make the search for popular materials super easy for your patrons, or to lead your patrons to resources inside and outside your library. These are just a couple of the many great features of a Mandarin library system.